Subject Physical Education for class 11th. Today we will take and carry on the unit 8 Fundamentals of Anatomy and Physiology and Kinesiology in Sports. As you know, each system consists of various organs of the body. Organs consist of various tissues and tissues consist of many cells. Thus, the functional ability of the body depends upon the efficiency of each cell. In this chapter, we will learn the basic working of the various systems of the body. So, among the various systems, at first we will take the skeletal system. Skeletal system, we will talk about at first general working of skeletal system. Skeletal system consists of bones and joints, as you know, which provides attachment to the movements, muscles, skeletal muscles, etc. Proper functioning of skeletal system and muscle systems improve the efficiency of the body. Bones and its types or classification. As you know, there are 206 bones are found in the human body. Bones are divided into three parts. Number 1 head, number 2 shaft, and number 3 end or tail. Femur bone, which are present in the thigh, it is the longest bone in our body. And bones are hardest connective tissues forming the skeletal. Like other connective tissues, it is also made of matrix. Long bones are usually hollow, containing bone marrow in it. In matrix, there are Harvesian canal. The layer of matrix is in the form of layer called laminae. They are richly supplied by blood. Cartilage are elastic, hard connective tissues. The elasticity is due to the presence of chondrocrine protein and some inorganic salts. Cartilage has lesionae and chondroblasts in its structure. It is of three types. Example, hyalinic cartilage, fibrous cartilage, and calcified cartilage. The structure and size different in bones. They are classified as long bone. They are long and wide. They act as a lever. They have long shaft and they are found in legs and arms like femur and humerus bones. Number 2, short bones. They are short in size and cube shaped. They are found in our wrist and phalanx. Next one, number 3 is flat bone. Flat bones have broad surface and mostly protect our organs and gives attachment to muscles like sacrums and scapula. Next one is irregular bone. These bones have irregular shape like vertebra, skull, etc. Next one is the sesamoid bones. These are found in enabled in tendons. They hold the tendons like patella. Cartilaginous bones. Cartilaginous bones are flexible and soft. They are found in ear and nose, etc. So, this is the brief detail of the bones which are found in our body. Next, we have to come on joints and its types. It is a place where two or more bones meet. It is called joint. Joint are of three types. Number 1, immovable or fibulous joints. They are also known as the fixed joints. Bones are joined together and no movement is possible like in skull joints, which is shown in the picture like a immovable or fabulous joints. Next one is the slight movable or cartilaginous joints. In these joints there is slight movement like intervertebrations, etc. In this picture, the slight movable joints as shown. Next one, the free movable or synovable joints. These joints can move to great extent. These are covered by thin membrane and filled by synovial fluid. In this picture, we have to see very easily the freely movable joints. In all these freely movable are or synovial joints, the joints is filled by synovial fluid which act as a grassing agent to provide slippery surface of joint. Further, these joints are covered by thin membrane called synovial membrane. These synovial membrane or joint are again of various types. Number one, like that ball and socket joint at shoulder or hip joint, it has found. Next one, hinge joints, it has found in elbow joints. Pelvic joint, it has found in the neck joint, and gliding joint it has found in the carpal joints, and last one is the saddle joint, it has found in the thumb joint. So these are the small or brief description about the skeletal system of our body. Thank you.